Okay, guys, this is William Scully here, and here's my final project of my Dell Inspiron 1 2320. As you can see, get this camera back in focus. We are almost just about done. 98%. It's testing out it's doing a March U test, random access memory. You know, last time it was taking that long, it's because of the it's giving me like an error message. But other than that, seems like everything seems to work just fine this time. Yeah, the hard drive kind of sometimes struggles with the seeking and all that, so you just need to restart my computer. And if anybody's wondering why did we put the monitor behind it, it's because the screen that it's built into it does not work. I tried reseating I tried reseating everything. I tried to reseat the display wider, but it didn't work. So we just got myself a monitor, secondary monitor. Yeah, we are just about done. It's probably gonna take a while to get to 100. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna call this 100% success, but not really. 99.99% success. It's because the screen, the built-in screen is not working properly. So, well, guess we have to. Well, I think that will do the. Oh, if you guys wondering why, if you see this one marking right here, it's because the original owner dropped it, so it's ain't a big deal. I have a couple of them. I try to use I tried my widescreen monitor, but unfortunately it's probably too big on the bottom, so I decided to use this one instead. So yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see if it holds up. Anything, hopefully that my monitor or my computer don't get dropped. So, alright, well, getting close. Guys wondering what the noise is. The noise that's in the background is the TV and the fans for my computer. So, alright, y'all. Well, that's about it for this video. So, hopefully you guys save you some money. Just get yourself a new computer or spend a couple $100 to let the tech guy fix it for you. So, just put the new motherboard in, hooked everything up, and reassemble everything, and yeah, everything seems to be ready to go except that screen not working. Want to know why the screen wouldn't show up? It's really odd, isn't it? But we got post. It completed the post. We're now just running the diagnostics. Complete diagnostics. Alright. Well, just about it for this video. I think I'm going to close all the doors and windows just because it may get some loud beeping here very soon. So, alright, y'all. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that my Toshiba laptop just blocking my view a little bit. So, alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Save money, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Catch you guys later in the next one. Bye for now.